Have you ever seen one of these venomous creatures in your garden and wondered what it was? When I saw this one on my Jerusalem artichokes, I decided to do some research, and what I found astonished me. I learned that it is a spider which has many distinctive features that I think you will find intriguing. Come along as I share some of these fascinating features that make crab spiders stand out in the world of arachnids. Unlike most spiders that build intricate webs to catch prey, crab spiders are ambush predators. They lie in wait on flowers and pounce on unsuspecting insects that come close. Crab spiders possess venomous fangs that help them immobilize their prey quickly. Despite their small size, their venom is potent enough to incapacitate insects larger than themselves. These spiders are exceptional at camouflage. They have the ability to change their color to match the flowers they're on, making them almost invisible to both predators and prey. Because of this, they come in a wide variety of colors, from vibrant greens and yellows to subtle browns and whites. This diversity in coloration helps them blend seamlessly into different flower environments. Crab spiders are known for their unique leg arrangement that resembles that of a crab. Their front two pairs of legs are longer and spread out to the sides, giving them a crab-like appearance. They are generally small spiders, making them well suited to their ambush hunting strategy. Their size allows them to maneuver among flowers and remain inconspicuous. Crab spiders have good vision, which is crucial for their hunting technique. They rely on their eyesight to accurately judge distances and time their strikes when capturing prey. Crab spiders are found in various habitats around the world, from gardens and meadows to forests and deserts. Their adaptability to different environments contributes to their survival. Most crab spiders have a relatively short lifespan, often just a single season. This limited time frame puts pressure on them to efficiently find food and reproduce within that time. While they mainly prey on insects like bees, butterflies, and flies, crab spiders have been observed capturing spiders larger than themselves, showcasing their fearless nature. Some species of crab spiders do create small silk retreats, but these are primarily for molting and shelter, not for catching prey. They mainly rely on their ambush hunting strategy. So keep a sharp lookout, and maybe you will see one of these amazing creatures in your garden or flower beds. Please share this video to friends and family who are interested in gardening and wildlife, and if you like this content, please consider subscribing.